warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tika Amirul Soleha. My student register number 2103011090 from the Department of Sharia Economic. Here I will present my PowerPoint for the English segment that I have made the story of money. The history of money concerns the development through time of system that provide the function of money. Such system can be understood as means of trading help indirectly, not directly with barter. Money is a mechanism that facilitates this process. Money may take a physical forms as in coin and notes, or may exist as a written or electronic account. It may have intrinsic value. Commodity money be legally exchangeable for something with intrinsic value. Representative money or only have nominal value. Fiat money. Importance of money. Money gives you freedom and choice. You can decide where and how you want to live when you have a good income or financial resources. On the other hand, when you do not have much money, choice might be something that you cannot afford. The choices available to you might not really be choices at all. Type of money. There are 5 different types of money in the world. Number 1, fiat money. Number 2, commodity money. Number 3, representative money. Number 4, fiduciary money. Number 5, commercial bank money. They also all have 3 functions in common. 1, they serve as a medium of exchange. 2, as a store of value. 3, as a unit of account. Characteristic of money. There have been many forms of money in history, but some forms have worked better than others because they have characteristics that make them more useful. The characteristics of money are durability, portability, divisibility, uniformity, limited supply, and characteristic. Which serves as function of money. The characteristic of what serves as money depend somewhat on the degree of complexity in the society. A relatively simple economy with relatively few goods and services, few producer and consumer, and few transactions might be able to function with a form of money that will not work in a more complex society. There are some general characteristics that are usually important for whatever serves our money in a modern economy. First, to serve as an effective medium of exchange and store of value, money must be durable. Durability is when an item is able to withstand all the hardships and is still able to maintain to be undamaged and usable after a long term of usage. Durability is crucial for money to be able to perform the following function of medium of exchange and store of value. Coins and paper bills are made to perform and to act as the currency. Nowadays, money is manufactured with the material such as paper, metal, and plastics which result to a long-lasting medium. Portability, which also serves as a medium of exchange, means that money can be movable from place to place to be used as monetary transaction to be exchanged for goods and services. Portability also means that consumers are now able to carry money along with them to be used as transaction for goods and services. In modern days, money carried from one location to another without needing much effort, as all types of money such as cash, notes, coin and cards are carried easily in a wallet. Furthermore, divisibility is a characteristic which means the money can be divided into small units and that it can be used in exchange for goods and services. As to function as the medium of exchange, as it divisible, it can be used to purchase all kinds of goods with different values. As money functions as the medium of exchange, it must have denomination to be traded for all goods and services and everything in between. Moreover, uniformity means that all types of some denomination of money must consist purchasing power. It is a characteristic that performs the function of standard of different payments. Limited supply is a characteristic which helps in storing the value of money, meaning that constraints on the amount of money in the monetary circulation ensure that values remain constant for the currency months. Most of the respective countries' government has the responsibility to control an adequate money supply based on market with their monetary policies, such as expansionary monetary policy and contractionary monetary policy. Acceptability support the function of medium of exchange. The essential quality of money is that it must act as an item being acceptable to all without having any hesitation in the exchange for goods and services. Acceptability means that everyone must be able to accept the money for transaction. Money is universally accepted around the world as a universal means for transaction. Lastly, the characteristic of non-counterfeitability, which functions as the store of value, means that money can be easily duplicated. As money cannot be easily duplicated, it prevents the unrestricted and illegal creating of duplicate of money. Besides, preventing the duplication of money to happen is one of the main reasons of government existence. That enough for me. If there is more or less, I apologize. Thank you for watching. Allahumma fiqil aqwami thoriq. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.